In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to analyze any stock using ChatGPT, even if you're a complete beginner. This method breaks everything down into simple prompts so you can understand what makes a company strong, risky, or worth watching. This is perfect for new investors, freelancers building wealth, side hustlers learning the markets, or anyone who wants clearer, faster stock analysis without complicated financial jargon. Before you begin, have these ready. The ticker symbol of the stock, your investing goal, your risk tolerance. Start with a general overview. Use Apple stock. Give me a simple overview of Apple stock, what the company does, its industry, and why people invest in it. This gives you a clean starting point without overwhelming details. Next, break down the financials. Explain the key financial metrics for this stock: revenue growth, profit margin, valuation, and debt, in beginner-friendly terms. You'll get clear explanations and what each number means for you. Then, analyze strengths and weaknesses with list the top strengths, risks, and long-term opportunities for this company. For deeper clarity, ask, explain whether this stock fits a beginner, income investor, or long-term growth investor. This helps you understand how the stock aligns with your goals. Now get a comparison. Compare this stock to two competitors and show which one looks stronger overall. For accuracy, double-check using review all this information and point out anything I should research further before investing. To stay consistent, create a routine. Make me a weekly or monthly habit for analyzing stocks, including what data to check and how often. And that's how you analyze a stock step by step with clear prompts you can reuse anytime. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.